Obi akọ university we ultimate compare John Mama with a Kufuor. Ultimate compare Ken Japan with Kelvin Taylor and one so di Kelvin Taylor chi. Should be legacy or make one abrabom. Emposani panipa bia wan nenso. Mimi tia mo menenso but me good. But Ghana for the menenso kasati ame. Sorry tiame. But I don't give a damn to them. That is why I support Ken Japan. Because I don't give a damn to you, Kanye, hate me, you talking about me. I don't give a damn. I always sleep and think about my life. Move forward. Me solitary me my brabo. Me fa Ghana kwasa samna mo tete Ghana. Mo de tia control no. Me fa mo. Listen and listen very clear. Me many Abraham tian. Ghana for mo can some say nipa because mo say nipa wotwene, mo say nipa obobra, mo say nipa one mini life. And you people don't mean life. Muamuku social media so mo say Ken Japan, mo say Kufuor. You don't mean any life and you will not get life. Munya brabo papa bi amo. Ko mu chi nipa wobobra. Mu chi nipa wo konanim. Enti wo chi Ken Japan, you are nobody to me sitting here. Wo chi Ken Japan, you are nobody to me. Wo to John Mama na wo chi Kufuor. Shu and unya obi amame because John Mama adi Kufuor ayama Ghana no. You cannot compare John Mama. Because of John Mama, you love Kelvin Taylor. Because of NDC, you love Kelvin Taylor. What did NDC do for Ghana? Tell me here. Because Kelvin is talking for NDC to come power. Kelvin is blasting a Kufuor. Kelvin is blasting Ken Japan. And then Kelvin Taylor and Kwasi Asema NDC never wait to make us money to Ken Japan. Because I NDC, you know, na brabo bian to Ken Japan. Ejuma do say NDC for be Ghana. Mumu say Ejuma do say NDC for na mu do wachiri. O ma be Ghana mu enso Ghana sika de di chuo mu ka. Including John Dramani mama. Ibrahim mama nyame hira wo na watimi abi adwuma ate obra nim. Wo bra ka say why mistake. I do understand the mistake of John Mama. I do understand the mistake. You can't get a court case, but I have to address issues. John Mama mistake you can just listen to somebody, but you don't think to understand wisdom. Let me tell you, Nana Kufuor na Kelvin Taylor dinatemo. We're making legacies. What the woman can say, one of the fair catch by on one. What the woman can say, one of the asphalt road by on one. What the woman can say, one of Ghana national education card on one. We're making legacies. And it will still remain in Ghana. A good father, but one can say, one of the one is 140 by on one, now go over now, 140. After Biaduma, or Womoya. Muntio, Yentia, your task uncle food. Yentia, and Quasiafobi, and somebody do matama, no matter what some Quasiafon and grassy. One more some Quasiafon. But the second Taylor, and Nessa Quasiapan, or General Class, or Soria, or taking on Kelvin Taylor. Kelvin Taylor taking on a Kufuor, taking on Ken Japan, taking on Baumia. What's the so more bra and my advice to say the Baumia? One more bra and Kautimi baby be my Ghana. Ubibia Oyama Ghana no Nyansa bia nim clutch found Jimmy saw. Found Jimmy saw in Kajan Charles Ghana for. Yamu be of your yamu and Yafoma Muko Brocha Mujimi. Mutio. Namu Brochena Muko and Yasan was all Brochena glass and Juan and now Brocha look at the Apua. What take Ghana? Now Brocha for enjoying. You do nothing for Ghana. You do nothing. Oh God Brocha. You do nothing for Ghana. Fuck. Mujama Brocha America Sam non chain. Namu fa Mujimi entra. Mujimi amufa shake wa America. Mujimi amufa shake. Even Kelvin Taylor himself as a journalist, he don't learn anything from America system. He just come on social media and insult. No ability to attempt. Just like that, move follow page, you know. Move follow page. Who they follow na call Davu from Wabeshemi. So person follow. Me say move follow page, and just like that. You move be able to me a Kenyan Sachenko phobi. Only the limbs will answer, but only what Jimmy. Ha! Me say Ghana for more America, more social media so. Evangelists are there. When the answer to me papa, and say, where's in China? Daddy Fred is in China. Me, Daddy Fred, were a different citizen for Ghana. Daddy Fred, you know, Me Daddy Fred is in charge. Daddy Fred the grandca say, why journalist? Kelvin Taylor call himself journalist. He do nothing. When he vision be Ghana. To come to America, the one America, the Ghana for over now the dear Kufara them. Now, if you Kelvin Taylor have a problem with Kufara and Kenny Japan, who was the problem for Ghana system? Tell me. Who ruled Ghana before Kufara come? Who ruled Ghana before MPP government come? Nonsense. Then you people say that you call yourself journalists and you want me to listen to you because you talk, because you can talk, because you can blog. I call you guys as bloggers. I don't call you guys as a journalist. I call you guys as a bloggers, and bloggers without facts, bloggers without even facts. Listen, and to I call to now call you Kelvin Taylor. Sa call to look at the chef me on seeing answer with Makobi. Or be better me soon. Without any fact, somebody can see you. Call to not Kelvin Taylor Coyan. Abraham Hussein and Sani was social media. I'm also seeing no man. Listen, we come with the craft. Abraham Hussein Moussa, the guy have a common sense like the way sometimes he talk about. Or you know who said yes, I'm about no. What Jimmy yo? But more good social media, including Captain Smart, none of you learning anything. You just come. Captain Smart, I call them about Jimmy and Kwan because Ghana Mrenuo. Jimmy and Kwan, because you're not just Ghana, no, the Uncle Demba Crana, and Sabo Abaso, yes, I'll put you world captain, and you are welcome. Jimmy, I say, dear. What's our integrity? What's our integrity? You can see. And to Baba was a walk with me, my uncle dam. It's a moment to one of Ghana Bay, better than Ghana Bay, because you guys don't want Ghana system to fix. What could them about for war? Emma court for woman, Emma, the system of the court. You don't even respect Ghana court. You come out with the same nonsense because NDC sabotage will support you. Because the two parties in Ghana, one party will criticize against the law. Now about Chimi. Me man go school from Munyansa Usamu Chimi. Mu Kenyan Sabian Ghana. You don't speak any wisdom to we Ghanaians. You come and talk wala. Come on, me man go school makaka wala. Near Manco School, come on, me and so moi, Muslim journalist, you don't learn any fuck off. What but damn now say Muhammad and Salifu, you drew to no mudimatem, and Jimmy for a phone. And young or young for a phone. And young for a phone, no mudimatem. Because I can't be the NDC power. NDC power and Unade. Kelvin Taylor Betty the Kuf, a Canada Portem, and Unade. Who Salifu, Muhammad Ye? What's more blood second upon? Kelvin Taylor more blood second upon. Salifu, into the Kelvin Taylor Chiwai. Maybe I may support to Japan.